Hi guys! So this is my first affiliate video that has audio in it, like my actual voice. Kasi yung mga previous videos ko, they were just purely background music kasi I didn't have a mic then. So today, we will be testing this mic that I just recently bought, the TNW A37 wireless lavalier mic. This is actually a good buy para sa mga nagsastart sa content creating and sa mga nagsastart as an affiliate just like me kasi kakastart ko lang din naman mag-affiliate eh. So, in the next step that you'll be seeing, we'll be testing the range or the distance na kaya ng mic na ito. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys! So, we'll test the distance or yung range na kaya ng mic na ito. So, tara! So, dito. Malayo na rin yung narating ko and as you can see naman guys, clear and maayos naman yung audio quality ng mic na to. So, babalik na ako dyan. Wait lang. Alright, so that's it for this video and I hope na nakatulong yung video na to sa mga pagpili ninyo ng mga magiging mics ninyo in the near future. So, thank you guys!